Okay, now this is the kit dash 024. Its purpose is to control two electrical devices, and over here I'm showing actually two lamps which will be controlled by means of Wi-Fi through a mobile phone. Okay, over here on the left side, we see over here now three circuits. The circuit on the left side is actually a little converter that uses the IC LM317 to convert 12 volts, which I supply from a power wall supply, to convert the 12 volts to 3.3 volts, which is required by the Wi-Fi circuit. In the middle we have the Wi-Fi circuit, which is composed of the SparkFun ESP8266 IC, which provides us with a Wi-Fi network. I'm going to be talking later on in detail about this circuit. Okay, now on the right we have actually a relay module, which includes two relays controlled by two transistors. Actually, it's a very simple circuit, which to it I connect two lamps which will be controlled by the mobile telephone, as I'll show you later. Okay, now what we're seeing over here, I'm focusing a little bit more on the ESP8266 Thing circuit made by SparkFun. Now you see on the right there are two buttons. One of them is the reset button and the other one is the flash button. The reset button is actually connected to the reset of the circuit, of the IC circuit included in the SparkFun board. Now the flash button is connected to the GPIO0 pin of the SparkFun board. Now, in order to load a program into this ESP8266 IC, we have to do the following. First of all, you write the code, of course, using the Arduino IDE, and then after you're satisfied with the code, then you have to use a USB to TTL converter and connect it to the RX and TX and ground pins of the SparkFun board. And after this, what you do is the following. You press on the flash button, and while you press on the flash button, you hold it, and then you press for a little bit of time on the reset button. You let go of the reset button while the flash button is still held, and then you let go of the flash button, and afterwards you click on the upload button of the IDE, Arduino IDE, and then you'll see that first of all the IDE begins to compile your code, and afterwards it will flash the code into the flash memory of the SparkFun board. Okay, now over here I'm focusing on the mobile that I used to. Just a second, it turned off. Okay, here is the mobile that I used to control the two lamps. You see L1 on, L1 off, L2 on, and L2 off. This I used to control the lamps of the circuit. Okay, now I'm going to be turning light 1 on. You see it's on. Now I'm going to be turning it off. Now I'm going to be turning light 2 on. Now I'm going to be turning light 2 off. So you see that this thing is working, and I appreciate you watching. Thank you.